Yo, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 33 in the math section of ACT 72E. Oh, right there. Pause the video. Please, pause it. Take a crack at it yourself. And then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good, because we're getting in there. It reads, a function is defined by g of a equals negative 2a plus 7. And its domain is the set of integers from 1 through 30, inclusive. For how many values of a is g of a negative? Now, a lot of people read this question and they basically crap their pants because they don't feel very comfortable with functions. But we don't have to crap our pants. The notions that the problem is using are actually pretty familiar to us. We want to know when this function, negative 2a plus 7, is negative. Okay, well we can just write negative 2a plus 7 is less than 0, because that would make it negative. Now let's solve for a. We subtract 7 from both sides, so we have negative 2a is less than negative 7. We're trying to isolate this a, so we'll divide both sides by negative 2, algebra style. Now, we got to keep in mind that the inequality sign is going to shift because we are dividing by a negative. So now we have a is greater than 7 over 2. Now, what is 7 over 2? Because we've been talking about integers, right? That's what's in the domain of g of a, 1 through 30. Well, 7 over 2, and you can check your calculator, is 3.5. So a is greater than 3.5. Well, there are a lot of numbers that are greater than 3.5, especially if you're considering numbers from 1 through 30. Most of them are greater than 3.5, but a few are not. For instance, 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. So we just found out that there are 3 numbers that do not satisfy the inequality, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the question was asking how many numbers in the domain would work. Okay, well we know that 3 don't. And how many numbers were in the domain to begin with? The numbers 1 through 30, right? How many numbers is that? Don't overthink it. 30. That's like sort of how counting works. So there were 30 numbers overall, but 1, 2, and 3 don't work. Okay, 30 minus 3 is 27. 27 components of the domain make g of a negative. Super cool. If you have any questions about this or related problems, hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Could be tight. In any case, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.